All right, King fans, it's time for a little Birdsee's Barnyard. We have our riders ready for you. We have a chicken, a donkey, a zebra, and a cow. First one to the finish line wins. So everyone, let's cheer them on. On your mark, get set, go! Down goes the zebra. Oh, down goes the chicken. Donkey out front. Donkey getting a little too happy with one hand. The chicken can't see the green cow. Come on, cow! This is utterly ridiculous. You can do it, donkey. Down goes the cow. And the donkey, way out front. Donkey is gonna win. Get it out for the donkey, everyone. Donkey, just because you did such a great job, Donkey, you have won yourself a Jacob Slavin autograph.